How to fix Throne and Liberty not launching or opening. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix your Throne and Liberty not launching or opening in your PC, it can be resolved quite easily. So firstly, make sure to launch a Steam application in your PC. Now once you are in here, in your left hand side, you will have every game that you have in your Steam. Now locate the option of Throne and Liberty and make sure to right click on it, then head over to the Properties option. Once you are in the Properties, you need to head over and check out the option of Installed File. Over here, firstly tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then you can tap on the Browse option to locate the txl.xee file. Now tap on the tl.exe file right over here or right click on it and check out the properties of it. Make sure that both of this is toggled on. Then tap on the OK button, but make sure to tap on Apply beforehand. Once you do so, check for your Windows update. For that, just tap on the search bar and search for Windows Update. Then tap on it. Now, if you find any of the available update, make sure to tap on the update button, after which the problem of your game not launching will be solved. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.